Today was beautiful. That was awesome. Wow, what an awesome day. Just a kind of recap of what's going on. Today was more of a equipment test. I recently got this bike. It's a 2020 Suzuki DR650. I bought it used from an amazing guy named Don. Don was about to get into adventure riding, had a spill, and his family made him sell his bikes. Anyway, super great guy. Don, if you're watching this, hopefully you get a little enjoyment out of this too. As you can see, the spot that I found was pretty amazing. I would love to spend some more time there. Oh man. Still on the Bridgestone, whatever wings, stock tires this thing comes with. They're okay for the street, but wow, I think I'm riding on marbles on this this dirt road with a lot of stones. So if it looks like I'm going slow in the video, well, that's exactly what's happening. I'm going slow in real life too. Shoosh, look down there, guys. Huh. I don't want to slip down there. I hope you guys can see this. Huh. I know it probably doesn't look nearly as steep watching on TV or on your phones as it does right now to me, being on the side here on this loose gravel road. Oh, pretty people, look at this. Let me stop and take this in for a second. Jeesh. Oh, magic, magic, magic. Beautiful. Just look at this. A couple of weeks I'm gonna come here and swim. Today when I dipped my toes in, it's a bit cold.